Hi, good morning. My name is Rajesh Ghai. I'm the infrastructure analyst at Macquarie, and I have the distinct pleasure of talking to Ramana Jonnala, who is the CEO of Coho Data. Hi, Ramana. How are you?
Hi Rajesh.
Can you tell us a little bit about Coho Data, what it does, and also a little bit about your own background?
So Coho Data, we do, in a single sentence, push button, scale out file and object store. So we are a storage solution that is actually from the ground up architected for this explosion in data, especially around unstructured data. And as background, I started my career at Veritas Software when it was a pre-IPO small company, and I've spent 12 years in storage. And when ZenSource, an open source virtualization provider, was funded, I went to ZenSource and ran products for ZenSource. So I have a mix of storage and virtualization. My co-founders are founders of ZenSource as well.
Obviously, there are a plethora of storage companies, both public and private, out there. What is the specific problem that you're trying to solve that no one else has solved yet?
People have been buying storage almost like they've been buying a car, which is you have your application in mind, and if you need performance, then you go buy the expensive storage. If capacity is important, you buy a lot of the cheap and cheerful. As a result of which, storage has gotten siloed, right? Each one of these is a tier, they don't share storage, utilization rates are very low. But the more important thing is that public cloud has fundamentally changed the way we think. And it's happened in compute. With SDN, it's happening in network, and it's going to happen in storage too, which is why do I need to buy storage 3 to 5 years in advance? Why can't I buy storage as my needs grow? That's the message that we go to, which is don't buy storage 3 to 5 years in advance, and after those 3 years come in, are done, you do a forklift upgrade, data migrations, we eliminate all that. In terms of, hey, you start with what you need right now, right? Take 1 or 2 modules from us, start there, 50 terabytes, and as your capacity is filling up, just add the third and fourth box. This is where we made it dead simple to be able to add the third and fourth box. That's where all our IP and our intelligence is. We use the network as well as intelligence that's running in the box, which by the way is a white box server. We're all software, we're all about software. So it takes 10 minutes to relay out the data, you're twice the capacity.
Who do you see as typical competition? What's kind of been the reaction of those players to your business?
Typically, our customers, we win where the architecture makes a difference. And performance is a pain point with traditional storage. But the ones where we win is because scale out, and the way we do it, lets the customer eliminate planned downtimes and migration. They can buy a couple of nodes from us, add a couple more in 18 months, and it's a storage continuum. They never have to plan downtimes, migrate their data from one version of a box to another, which is what scale-out technologies typically require.
Are your customers typically enterprises that want web-scale storage, or are they cloud operators who are looking for something that's similar to what the best-in-class cloud providers have been using?
A lot of our customers are mid-enterprise on up, and that's because our value prop is in scale. That is, they should aspirationally be thinking about their business growing as well as their capacity needs growing, right? If the single box is good enough for them, then that's not typically our customer. This actually resonates very well with service providers, so we have a mix. We don't tilt completely one way or the other. Fortune 2000 on up is actually our sweet spot.
In terms of the fact that you're a young company right now, what are the challenges that you face at this point in time?
It's I can't grow fast enough. That's if you were to ask me, the opportunity is there, right? And it's huge, and something. Storage has been sort of I always said it's the last leg of the stool in the compute network. It's just that it's a very conservative space, but now is the time, and a lot of my fellow private companies in the storage space as well, we are like chipping away.
Is there anything else that you want to tell our audience about Coho Data or anything in general?
It's I was just reading an IDC report that said that storage needs in the structured space are going to grow from about 13 billion right now to 17. Unstructured data, and this includes Spark, Hadoop, a whole bunch of standard file management and so on and so forth, is going to grow from 3 to 21 billion in the next 4 to 5 years. And the storage needs for that are going to be fundamentally different from what the traditional powerhouses in storage have provided.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Rajesh. Thank you for your time.